Japanese restaurant.
Japanese restaurant, first time?
Yeah.
So happy Saturday. Dito kami guys.
Saturday.
Please, which one you call?
Barbarmal.
Dorbarmar. You can call.
Yes.
So hanapin natin yung Japanese na restaurant. Hindi namin alam kung nasaan. And of course, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Tita M sa pag-share ng kanyang blessing sa amin. And first time nating makakain sa Japanese restaurant dito. There upstairs, I saw Japanese. So ayun pala sa taas oh. What is that? The logo. You check the logo. Guys, tingnan natin kung yan nga. Yung Matsuri, Tokyo. May mga Japanese dito na restaurant. Guys, yung isa, yun no, Matsuri, Tokyo. That is not the one. Yan guys, tumawag na si Deepak. Here! What is the name? Sanchan Ramen. Dad, ito nga. Ito na lang at nagtitingin ako sa mga daan namin. So let's go up. So ayan guys, nakapag-decide ako na sabi ko dito na lang tayo kasi mas maganda ata dito and medyo warm siya. So bago yan, magubad daw kami muna ng aming mga sapatos. And of course, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Tita M sa pa-experience mo sa amin nito. May God bless you po. Ayan, antay lang kami konti ng menu nila kung ano ang pwede naming mai-order. So ayan guys, namili-mili na kami ng pwede naming ma-orderin. And medyo si Indira na-excite din siya kasi first time niya rin matikman po yung Japanese talaga na pagkain. And ayan na yung in-order nila ni Johanna Juice. Hindi talaga ako familiar dyan. Basta yan na yan guys. Siyempre para di naman mas ma-enjoy pa namin, nag-ask din po ako Ate Japan kung ano po yung pwedeng ma-suggest niya. And since may mga na-suggest na rin po sa akin si Tita M, kaya nagkaroon po ako ng idea kahit papaano. Not spicy. And Johan, try Johan. Yan, chopstick. Sinipak lang marunong sa amin mag-chopstick, guys. Yan, you spicy? Not spicy. You like it? So ayan guys, mag-try si Kanchi. Magtuturo si Deepak muna, training. Try natin, no? Try natin to. Tawas, hindi ba sa...
You can make in the house like this.
Masarap!
Oh my god.
But this sag
Yes.
is something different. Which sag this one? It's tasty. Masarap. Ito naman yung order niyo. Maybe this is cheese inside kasi sabi niyo nag-order daw sa cheese. Idip daw dito sa miso.
Eat this one.
Harap.
What is it?
Oh my God.
This one, no? You used to give to everybody.
Ah, wasabi. May wasabi. Ididip pala dito yun. Ayan, marunong na ako.
There is cheese also. This is the cheese.
What cheese?
Really. Puli you halwa ko ni harap moto.
Masarap guys. Yummy kanji. Yeah. So guys, mag-order kami guys, tempura. Tapos yung sushi namin guys, oh. Ito na yung ramen natin. So i-try muna natin. Can you give me anak? Try natin ito. Can you get? Actually guys, yung ramen nila too much, napakalaki. Nakikita ko kasi guys sa TV, ganyan sila kumain. I saw in the TV, they are eating like this. Dito.
They shock lang.
Yung noodles nila, hindi siya kagaya ng mga noodles dito ha, in fairness. Wow, the chicken. Ano po?
Yeah, I'm there. Come here. Come here. And alhamdulillah. Lock.
Ayan, bento box na yung dila.
Yung sana
Ayan yung bento box nila. Ayan. Ay, Papa, also. Papa, try this one. Si Deepak. So, ayan yung order ni Deepak, guys. Ayan. Try, anak. Try. So, try natin. Dragon. Ito ata yung dragon, guys, na in-order ko.
Toss that one.
Try na yun, binili.
Ayan, si Indira nag-enjoy sa bento. We love prawn also.
She like the rice too much.
The rice tasty, Kanchi? Yeah. first experience eating in Japanese restaurant?
Very nice.
Very tasty. Napakasarap.
Tasty experience.
Oh, it's good to experience Kanchino.
Yeah.
And of
First
course,
time na.
yeah, first time. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Tita M. Sobrang happy. Si Deepak tumatawag pa ng aming sasakyan. So yun guys, pauwi na kami and basta sobrang happy ako na naka-experience tayo ng ganon. Salamat Tita M sa pa-experience mo sa amin ito. Napakalaking bagay po. And kakaiba guys na makakain din tayo sa mga ganitong restaurant. Paminsan-minsan, nakakatuwa. And si Indira sobrang happy and nagustuhan niya talaga. Sila ni Johan, ni Deepak, nagustuhan talaga nila. Hindi ko in-expect. The sushi ay napakabilis, very fast.
Yeah. Kagkaglag na finish nila.
Guys, naninibago kami lagi. Kami kasi kumakain, you're always eating momo, chow mein. So ito, this time parang kakaiba, no?
Yeah,
Totally different experience.
See,
Yeah.
Papa was planning to bring us there in the King's Palace, but he don't want.
Yeah, we can go there. You've been there? You've been there in that palace? And she never been there. I'm too much intrigued with that, ano guys, yung King Palace, andyan lang guys sa likod ko, oh. Ayan, dinudumog yan. I'm intrigued with their toilet. Yeah, I want to see the toilet because each room have toilet. Very nice, the room Kanchi.
Eh, Papa,
No, it will be dark now eh. So scary. There guys, nakakatakot. Just so scary. I don't like. It's open. You see how many people? How come you see it's closed? Ay, palagpat. Palagpat daw. Kay Deepak, sarado na. Ang dami daw.
he's liar, no?
Liar. Just now, you know?
Liar, pants on fire.
Ayan guys, pauwi na kami.
Yeah, full or you want more? Full. But still, there is we will eat more. Tao, pentira eh.
Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. So, ayun, sobrang lamig. And, syempre, bago ko i-end yung vlog for today, maraming salamat kay Tita M ulit. And again, may God bless you, Tita, and syempre sa family mo, and sa mga suggestion yun ni Ate Japan kung anong pwede naming makain doon. Since wala po kaming idea, so nagka-idea po kami kung ano yung mga orderin namin. So thank you so much talaga. Sobrang busog kami. I hope na napasaya ko din kayo guys sa vlog natin for today, and first time ito sa aking vlog na kain kami sa Japanese restaurant dito. So medyo kakaiba. And ayun guys, gusto ko lang magpasalamat po sa inyong lahat sa lagi niyong pagsuporta sa akin. Ingat kayong lahat. Magandang gabi. I love you all and God bless us all. Good night guys. Thank you so much. Bye.